Good morning. So, nandito kami ngayon sa school para panoorin yung presentation ng mga students from Theater and the Arts. So, nandito ang isang critic, si James. Hello. Natin namin yung isa. Excited yung sa positions. So, yeah. Waiting lang kami. Ito ang aking students. Ready na? Are you ready? Yes! Kinakabahan ba kayo? Medyo. So, yeah. So, we're just waiting for the other critic. Ayan, si Sir KL.
That door, I didn't know they did that anymore. I knew we don't need dozens, salad plates. For years I drove this empty hall, like a ballroom with no walls. Finally they're opening up the gates, and they'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. But why am I so ready for this change? But for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that song. 'Cause for Let them live, let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, put on a show. Make one move and everyone will know. But it's time for the day. I'm too tell the birds to open up the gate. For the first time in forever, they're in and they're girl, you always have a chance to change my lonely world. A chance to find true love. So don't feel, don't let them know. So it has to be today. But for the first time in forever. For the first time in forever. Nothing's in my way.
So, doon tayo sa mga comments. Doon sa first group ba muna? Okay. First group, I like, sinasabi ko nga sa kay Sir Marion, I like the creativity that you put into your performance. Kasi when you have yung scene ng Tangled na yon na nakalabas siya, and kasi di ba yung lights, yun yung meaning ng birthday niya. Yun pa, ang hindi pala sabihin nun is, kaya nagpapalipad sila ng lantern is because the king and the queen requested na parang mag-wish para makita ulit siya. Yun yung purpose nun. So the creativity that you put into it na ginamit niyo yung lights, kasi di ba sa Tangled na movie, yung lanterns, paakyat lang. So I like what you did na ginawa niyo siyang part of your choreography na instead of just moving up, parang naglalaro yung lantern.
Nakukuha ng energy yung walang hawak. Doon niya iba na instinct versus the lantern. Parang gano'n. So yun lang naman yung naging more on choreography, blocking itself.
Hi! So after ng theater and arts natin, so nandito tayo ngayon for our merienda.
Kaka-merienda lang kami.
So yun, so maganda ang presentation ng ating mga
Yes.
students.
Yung creativity nila lumabas dun sa performances.
Ayan. In all fairness, nakakatuwa naman at may mga natutunan sila sa ating theater and arts. So I think, so anong mga realization mo with regards to presentation nila?
Ano, na parang dapat hindi hadlang yung preparation time for you to have a parang magandang performance. Kasi basta porsigido ka, magagawa mo yung dapat.
Kasi despite that 4 days
Yeah,
only,
4 days
diba?
lang sila.
Kaya huwag mo gagawin huwag mo gagawing reason na 4 days lang po kami binigay sa amin, huwag ganun lang po kami.
Tsaka wag mong i-limit yung possibility to improve yung performance kasi wag kang mag-base doon sa pinakang original. Parang try to explore and try to be creative. Think outside the box.
So yun actually sinabi ko sa kanila, you could do researches with regards to the original na natin, presentation, pero huwag kayong kukuha ng get na mga insights on how to do this and that, mga ganung bagay. And of course, to our students who performed earlier, sana natutunan nyo na in life, one take lang talaga lahat. And you have to do your best. Even though pwede mo ulit-ulitin lang, pero always do your best talaga lagi.
Laging best foot forward.
Ayan. Para talagang hindi mo na uulitin. Pero in life also, it teaches also us na we have to work within the team. Diba? Even though kaya natin, pero important siya yung group pa rin, group work.
Yung group effort. Kasi from there, syempre yung pagiging maano mo yung sama. Diba? part naman yun ng performance ng theater. Na huwag kang maging prima donna.
Oo.
Yung mga ganyan.
Maraming prima donna dyan na simula nung malaman nilang maganda ang kanilang ginagawa, di ba? Lumalaki ulo nila. So, always be grounded. Put your feet on the ground talaga na there are always room for improvement na talaga na hindi tayo perfect for
Tsaka lagi kayong open mind, lagi kayong magtatanggap ng suggestions, opinions, kasi para naman sa ikagaganda yun.
Tapos dito rin yung creativity na despite na konti lang ang budget natin, mga pwede mong gawin
Yes.
na can be used sa pang-araw-araw nating buhay. So yun siguro mga realization natin sa theater and arts natin. So I think that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell button para updated kayo. So, bye!